So, for today's video, gagawa ko ng review. I will give you some review about NordVPN. And it has updated right now, adding new protocol. The protocol so-called Nordlynx from WireGuard. So, we will try Nordlynx dedicated IP. Okay? So, it's now connecting. Oh, it's just a millisecond. I'm connected right away. So, very fast. So, my protocol is Nordlynx. Let's have a speed test. NordVPN is not free to use. You have to pay some amount just to have a 2 years validity account. It's just a one-time payment. Good for 2 years. I'm just having a review. I just showing you how to use NordVPN. Okay, going back to NordVPN. NordVPN provides NordVPN provides three types of connection. Okay, do you have specialty servers? The P2P obfuscated and dedicated IP. So what I have been testing is dedicated IP. So it allows you to select the best server, the fastest server that is available on real time. But still you have the choice. You have the choice to select among the available servers worldwide. If you wanna try Japan, South Korea for gaming, Singapore, US for Netflix, you can try it. Now let's test Singapore. The Australia provides 5 servers in this country, while Canada provides 3 servers. India provides 2 servers. So again, most especially this is applicable to Wi-Fi users. Although this works on Smart and Globe promos. For TM like EasySurf, Giga promos, this is the best VPN used for watching movies in Netflix. Nakakalungkot nga lang dahil wala akong Netflix account. Baka pwedeng mag-donate kayo dyan. Isang account lang. No, it's a joke. So, if you want any account for NordVPN, just contact me. Just PM me directly to my Facebook account. And I will give you one free VPN account for NordVPN. Valid for 2 years. But before that, do some screenshot that you have viewed one of my videos in full and you have clicked the subscribe button and notification bell. So that's it. So it's been months that I've been using NordVPN and so good so far. It would be the best VPN. It's only the problem that you have to pay some amount. But for me, it's free. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this would be the end of my tutorial, my review about NordVPN. I hope you learned a lot from me. Be one of the technocentric now. Subscribe now. Thank you.